Hi there, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you very quickly how to add a product size chart to your website so that your customers can see and understand your sizes. Now, we've made it very easy to be able to add a size chart. We all know that, unclear sizing can lead to customers returning their items, saying that it wasn't a perfect fit, and even abandoned carts sometimes. So to help you build trust, we've made it very simple and very easy for you to just attach a size chart image next to your product so that your customers can understand your sizes and also buy with a lot of confidence. So how do you set it up? To do that, simply navigate to General Settings from the menu on the left side of the screen here. Now, once you get here, switch to Products, and then here, just come down a little bit, and here you can see Product Size Chart, and it says add a general size chart for all your products. So once you get here, just toggle this on, and you then select the image. So as we can see here, an image has been added already, but all you need to do is upload your image and you are good to go. So once you do that, you can also add an additional image for your product to help your customers maybe understand a little bit of your product. And you can do that by toggling this on, like I already did. So you just toggle it on, and then let's remove this and add another image. So let's say, for example, we still want to go with fabric. So we now upload an image here. You click on this to upload the image. And now the image has been uploaded. So once you're done setting up your product size chart and your product image, you just click on save. Now let's see what it looks like on the website. So now we're on the website, and let's say, for example, the customer wants to shop. So once they come, they're browsing through products, they can just select a product. And right here, you can see the size guide. So once they click on it, the size guide will come up. And then once they click on your image option, they will also see the image that you have added. So obviously, you can name this something more visible, something more understandable for your customer based on what you sell. But size guide is pretty straightforward. So once they click on it, they will see the size guide that you have uploaded. And once they click on this other one, they will see the image you have added as well. And this is for all your products. So let's even go back to other products, and let's use another product as an example. So let's click on this. So as you can see, it's also here. So based off of what you sell, you can add a size guide and an image and a product image for your products. So that's how to add a size guide to your website. See you in the next video.